Hi everyone and welcome to another video edition of College Dekho. This video is for all the candidates who will be appearing for the Andhra Pradesh Common Entrance Test for Law or AP Law Set this year. We have gathered all the basic information regarding AP Law Set and will present it to you in this video. AP Law Set is one of the most popular law entrance exam in India and it is conducted once every year. It is a state-level entrance test organized for admission to the UG law courses. AP Law Set is conducted for admission to several law colleges in the state of Andhra Pradesh. There are a number of law institutes in the country that accept AP Law Set scores for their admission process. Sri Krishna Dev Raya University, Anantapur conducts the AP Law Set exam on behalf of the Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education. Let us now take a look at the courses offered through AP Law Set. AP Law Set is organized for providing admission to the bachelor level law programs. These include integrated courses such as BA LLB, BBA LLB, BCom LLB, BSc LLB, as well as the 3-year long degree of Bachelor of Law. The duration of the integrated programs is 5 years each and candidates get a dual degree upon the completion of the program. For the admission process of Master of Law, another entrance exam called AP PGL Set is organized by the conducting body. Before applying for AP Law Set, candidates must make sure that they meet its eligibility criteria. For admission to the integrated programs through AP Law Set, the candidate must have completed class 12 from a recognized board of education with at least 45% marks in aggregate. Whereas for the 3-year LLB degree, a bachelor degree in any stream from a recognized university with no less than 45% marks is required. There is no upper age limit to apply for AP Law Set. Let us now talk about the application process of AP Law Set. The conducting body releases a notification regarding the AP Law Set schedule every year. The application process of AP Law Set 2021 is expected to commence in the month of July. Candidates have to submit their applications online after checking whether they qualify the eligibility criteria or not. The application fee of AP Law Set is 809 rupees, which includes the processing fee. Now let us discuss the exam pattern of AP Law Set in detail. AP Law Set is held online through a center-based test mode. Its duration is 1.5 hours and it is conducted in the English and Telugu languages. A total of 120 questions are asked in the exam, which are all multiple choice questions. 1 mark is given for each correct answer and there is no negative marking in AP Law Set. AP Law Set is divided into 3 sections. These include aptitude for study of law, general knowledge and mental ability, and current affairs. 30 questions are asked in the sections of GK and mental ability and current affairs each, while the legal section comprises 60 questions. There are many colleges that accept AP Law Set for their admission process. Some of these popular institutes have been given here. To know more details about AP Law Set 2021, make sure you go through our AP Law Set exam page, which provides all the information regarding the exam. If you have any queries or doubts, send them to us through our Q&A zone or call on the toll-free student helpline number 1800-572-9877.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.